In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar easily. This integration will streamline your scheduling process, allowing you to manage your meetings more efficiently without the need to switch between platforms. Let's dive into the process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up. To start, you'll need to open your Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to calendar.google.com with your preferred web browser. Once you have Google Calendar open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if it's not already a regular part of your workflow. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the side panel. Look for the plus icon, which is used to get add-ons. Clicking this icon will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace, a hub where you can find a myriad of tools and extensions to beef up your Google services. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type in Microsoft Teams Meetings and hit enter. This will pull up the Microsoft Teams add-on, which is what we need for the integration. After locating it, go ahead and install the add-on. Installation should be quick, but remember to follow any on-screen prompts to ensure it's properly added to your tools. With installation complete, you'll notice that the Microsoft Teams add-on has now appeared on your Google Calendar's side panel. Clicking on this new icon is your next step, and it will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already using one, you'll need to create an account, though most organizations using Teams will have this set up for their users. Once you've signed in, take a moment to get familiar with the interface. The integration is now complete and functional. What this does is allow you to easily schedule and manage Microsoft Teams meetings directly from your Google Calendar. No need to toggle between your Calendar app and Microsoft Teams anymore. Everything is right at your fingertips in one convenient location. As a bonus tip, if you frequently work with team members or clients using different platforms, integrating them through tools like this can enhance communication and efficiency. Remember, streamlined workflows help reduce the chance of errors or missed meetings. And there you have it, a swift and simple way to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. With this setup, you can now enjoy a seamless scheduling experience, bridging the gap between these two powerful tools. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.